whenever yo is ready.
Hang on a minute.
It's a bit bright, ain't it?
It is. I'm glad I remembered my sunglasses.
Oh,
Woo.
coolio.
Right. Well, hello everyone. Back for another attempt with the same setup, but hopefully longer runways. And if this first one that we're going to do doesn't do it, or we don't think it's got to top speed, then we've got another longer one to try after. I've got Mark on the camera.
Hello there. Didn't think you were going to introduce me, Rob. Billy No Mates over here.
I am chatting too much, I'm so nervous.
And but you haven't even mentioned what you're doing.
Yeah, it's the Poor Boys Speedrun Challenge TT-02
Slash
23
slash
slash
TT-01.
Yeah, but we've got TT-02, so I don't care.
And
TT-01.
he's got a lipo in it, guys. 2S.
Yeah.
And he's got a brushless motor.
4.5.
4.5 ton! Oh my god!
And
I can hear his knees knocking from here, lads.
what we forgot to show you last time was
What? Schubert?
no, my diffuser.
Shiny.
Shiny black.
Skiddy plate.
Yes.
With a look at that diffuser, it's better, it's posher than mine. I bent mine because I rammed it into a curb, Rob, when I was testing.
No.
Yeah, I have. What a plunker.
So, let's
Not you, mate.
get it on.
Let's get it on. Okay then, so you're tracking.
Yeah. It's looking backwards.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's a test then, Rob.
Yeah.
I'm gonna read. Oh, no, I'm gonna. It says 43 miles an hour.
What? No.
Back.
Stop.
Track. Yep, that's what we just did, 4 miles an hour, so I'm going to go back. I can't see the thing.
Start.
I'll just press track again.
No, that turns it off. You're doing.
Okay, we're all right then.
You're
So,
doing whatever his name
so
was. What's his name? I forgot.
oh yeah. Well, I've just showed him I've reset it, so I'm going to have to do that again, ain't I? Okay, Rob, so just test the GPS, so start. Okay. You're going to move the car. Yep, 7, 10. Stop. Stop. Read 14 mile an hour. Okay, so let's go back and start. Right then, I'm ready. I've gone and put the phone in my pocket.
Right.
You're over there, I'm over here.
Yep.
I'm going to stay well back in case something terrible happens. So, here he goes, guys. 2S first run. 26 tough pinion, Rob.
Yeah.
26 pinion and 64 spur. Here we go. You're going to go for it, dude. Whoa. I thought you were going to hit me then. It's making a lot of clattering noises, Rob.
Yeah. It's on the gravel. Here we go. One more time.
He's off, guys. He's off up there. Clatter, clatter. What a row. Is that flat out?
That again was flat out, but it didn't seem anywhere near as fast as the first time.
He's going home. He's just spinning it, guys. Now he's trying to crash it into the curb.
Right, I'm going to bring it in.
Is that 2S? Is that? Can't you go any faster than that, Rob?
No.
Come on, you need to.
Down then.
Made a good sound then.
Now that seems faster.
Yeah. Come on, you can do it. Do it again. Do it again.
Trying.
He's going home again. Look, guys. Here he comes. Squeeze it on slowly. That looked fast. Oh, he's clouted the curb just about. Rob, that looked fast, dude. Bring it in, son. Here he comes. Here he comes. Mr. Rob Brennan. Right then, I'm getting the phone out of my pocket. Here it is, here it is. Do you want to do it yourself?
Oh dear.
Right.
Stop.
Stop. Read.
Bluetooth's in range, so it should read.
Whoa, get in there, guys! Oh,
Yo, beauty!
Pete Wiley! Pete Wiley's at 51, guys! Look at that. He's really going to be sick as a parrot now. Get in there, dude.
Wow.
Get in there. You start. Well done on who could do it. 3S, anybody?
Maybe next time. Maybe next time.
Come on, you chicken. Get in there, Rob.
I want to go to 29 tooth next, though.
Oh my God, he's showing off now. You going to go for the longer run?
No, I think that's...
You're happy for this one?
Maxed out, yeah.
Right then. Well done, dude. That's all I can say, mate. You're a star. This time, I think it was Bart.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it Bart? Homer? Bart? Whoever you've got on your T-shirt. Ooh, look at the sexy butt.
Homer Simpson.
And that's not Homer either I was talking about. Yay. Dude.
All right.
Say ta-ra.
Yeah. See you later, guys. Ta-ra.
Boy. Is that a relief, son?
I can't believe that I got 52 and I didn't actually crash. I mean, okay, I ran into the
you had a bit of a nudge at the end, didn't you? But you did well there, mate.
Yeah,
I gotta say.
Braking.
Yeah, that's that's an achievement that he's done.
Yes.
So yeah, I can't even talk.
Yeah, nor me. Right, well, Mark's talked me into trying this 3S battery that I've got.
Yeah.
So,
let's see if we can
fingers crossed.
try it again. So let me just check this then. So let's start. Okay.
Yep.
Run it then, Rob.
Holy.
Okay.
moly.
Stop. Read. 8 miles an hour. Okay. So back. I'll try and do this one and right back. Are we ready? Start.
Yep.
We're started. He's gone home again. What a racket. Oh, he stopped, Squig. He's pooed his pants, guys. What a race. All that gravel on the road. This is a dodgy road surface, guys, but hey. He's going to crash it, look. He's going to crash it. I'm going all over the place with the camera. Come on, dude, you can do it. Whoa, my God.
Jesus, that's it.
Do you think that was faster?
Yeah.
Bring it in then. Oh, it's come to me, look. Right, I've got phone, here we go.
Well, Schubert's in my pocket.
Schubert's in his pocket, right, so phone.
And we have to get close.
I can't see anything on the phone. Right.
Stop.
Stop. It's not working. Stop. Why isn't it working, Rob? It's saying testing or something. Testing. Don't take it out of shot. People think we're cheating.
I think we've got to get... I'm hoping we've got to get closer. Unless I broke the GPS. You've done 10 miles an hour, mate.
I don't understand.
Caution, the test can only be initiated when the vehicle is at a standstill.
What's happening?
I don't know. I think the app's locked up.
Pete had this trouble, didn't he?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Has he? Oh dear.
No. Oh dear. Yeah, you haven't got that run, mate.
Doesn't look like it.
No, you're going to have to shut that. And do it again. Is it?
Right, it's reset.
Press stop. Read. Oh, finally, guys, we got there. I'm glad I kept the camera rolling, Rob.
Yeah.
50 Mach8. 50 Mach8
miles
an hour.
And, mate, if I'm honest,
Go on.
I don't think that had got to full speed.
So I hope that counts, guys, because you could see it. I didn't stop recording. We had trouble with the phone, but that's the recorded speed, guys.
Yeah.
We have got 58 miles per hour. Got to
Yes.
talk.
Right,
Ah,
definitely it.
it
Thanks
is.
for watching. See you for the 29 tooth.
Ta-ra, McBoy.
Bye.